welcome back to Becky's Corner. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas 2020. Well, before we get into this video, I just wanted to ask you guys, how are you all doing? I hope you had an amazing Christmas just like I did. I'm so thankful to everyone, my family, my friends. I'm thankful for all of these gifts. Obviously, Christmas isn't just about opening Christmas presents. It is also about spending time with your family, and that's the gift that I'm most thankful for. But anyway, yeah, have you subscribed? If you haven't, don't forget to do that now. It's free, and if you'd like to support the channel, then just click the subscribe button. Share this video to friends and family, and also hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever we upload a new video. So let's get into this video. So the first thing I got this Christmas, so I got the Vivienne Westwoods in a size 7. Yeah, I was really happy about these. I really like them, and I think they're super pretty. Yeah. The next thing I got is this really adorable water bottle. It's super cute. It's just marble, and it also has a gold cap at the top and then a little strap. Yeah, it's adorable. I really like that. This because the metal water bottles are really harsh. It's like basically do the Kyle Jenner lip challenge. This one is really soft, and that's what I really liked about it. Yes, so guys, I just wanted to say that most of the stuff that I got this year are clothes. So if you guys wanted me to do a try on haul, something like that, then just comment down below if you guys wanted me to do a try on haul for what I got for Christmas, and I'll be happy to do that. I got this from my mum in the Lord. I got this unicorn ring holder and earring holder, and I think this is super cute. I've been using this a lot to just put my earrings on. I am so careless. I literally lose my earrings all the time. This has been really helpful for me to keep one of my earrings in a nice condition. I got is a super cute purse. I actually thought that this was navy blue. I only realized that like yesterday that it wasn't navy blue, it was actually black. It's super duper cute. I really like this. It just has a gold chain strap on there and a gold zipper, and it's super duper cute. It just has a knit and a texture under it. I love that. I got this notebook from my friend. It just has a D on it, and it's rose gold because she knows how much I love rose gold, and she also got me a matching pen to go with that. Thank you so much. I also did a video with her a couple of weeks ago, so if you want to check that out. So yeah, I got that. I also got a phone case that's super duper cute, and I got this from Claire's. It's adorable. I was so happy because my parents and my family members know how much I love phone cases. I have like a collection now. By the end of 2021, I want to have loads of phone cases. I don't know why, I just really like it. Yeah, I got a new phone case. It's really cute. It's marble because I'm obsessed with marble and rose gold and pink. I just love it. Next thing I got is this Victoria's Secret Love Spell. The one Love Spell. It smells so good. I really like this one. I think it's kind of a tradition for me to get Victoria's Secret because I really like getting these for Christmas and that. I also got this really cute. It's like a mermaid. It reminds me of mermaids. It's like tiles. It's really nice, and it's just gold. It's really pretty. I really like that. Then I got 4 lip glosses. They're super duper cute, and you guys may know how much like I really like lip glosses and that. I'm pretty sure I'm wearing them in like I'm wearing it in like all of my videos. I really like lip glosses, and yeah, I just have these really pretty ones. They're gorgeous. Then I got these 2 necklaces, 3 matching necklaces. Well, one of them isn't matching. One is for me. It's super duper cute. It's just like penny, and it's like a nice chain and design for the actual neck. It's really cute. I really like that, and I think it's really pretty. Me and my sister have this one, and it's adorable. They're like matching, and it's like they're like moon, and it's like a moon and a sun, and I just think that's so adorable. It's super cute. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what it looks like. I think it looks adorable. Well, the next thing I got this English dictionary. Yeah, I really like that. I think it's pretty cool. It's easier than looking through a normal dictionary. I like that. Next we're gonna move on to clothes, and then next I got this really cute t-shirt fitted. It's really nice. It's like fitted. It's like a body hook basically. It's not long sleeve. It says South Beach, Florida, and it's really cute, nice and pink, and I really like that. Sorry guys. Next thing I got is this really cute top. It's a long sleeve top, and it's super pretty and glittery. I was really happy when I opened this because it's so cute, and it's just tied at the bottom. It's really adorable. I really like that. The next thing I got is this Oversized Graphic Tee, and this is a Shawn Mendes. I don't know if I pronounced that wrong. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that wrong. I think it's really good. Typically what I asked for my Christmas wish list is for a graphic oversized tee, and I got just that. I really like this one. It's super cute. It's oversized and it's just adorable. It's so cozy as well. I won't be taking that off anytime soon. It's really nice. Next thing I got is this absolutely adorable sweater, and it's just a turtleneck long sleeve, and it says California 1991. Anyway guys, I really like this. I think it's super cute and it's super warm, and I just like the sleeves and everything. It just looks really nice. I really like that. Next thing I got is this also is the sweater, because you know the temperature in UK is just. And I got this sweater. It's a little bit cropped, but it's not too cropped, but it's shorter than normal, like shorter than my other sweatshirt. Salt Lake. It's really cute. I really like that. Next thing I got is also a top. I really like this. It's super cute. At the front, it just has, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it just has this little these palm trees, and I'm not sure what that says. And then at the back, it just has a massive stamp, and I think that's absolutely adorable. Please stop saying adorable. How many times have I said this in this video? Anyway, the next thing I got is this really cute skirt. It's really nice. I could definitely see myself wearing this to church. It's just gold, and I really like it, and I like the band as well. It's so pretty. I got these white jeans. I really like the way this fits, like this goes on, because it's not like skinny and high-waisted. It's like, it's not high-waisted, but it's not low-waisted. It's like in the middle. It doesn't I don't know how to say this. It's not really fitted at the bottom. It's just like a bit baggy in that at the bottom. So I was super happy that I got those. Really nice. I could definitely see myself wearing this with some of the stuff in my closet. I got from my mummy in the Lord again. Thank you so much, mummy, if you're watching this. Thank you so much, mummy pasta. I love you so much. She got me this really cute dress. I really like this. It's like turtleneck, but it's nice. And I thought that was really thoughtful of her to get me this. I really like it. Thank you so much. For my parents, again, I got this really nice skirt. This just reminds me of summer so much. It reminds me of in the summertime when you go out to like Silver Lake or something like that, or the shopping centre, and you would see those models, and they would be wearing, in the summer, they would be taking pictures with these kind of skirts. I really like this. I think it's super adorable. I just really like this. The last thing I got is this really nice top. I don't know why I always say fluorescent top, so I need to stop saying fluorescent top because it's not fluorescent. It just has a bunch of flowers on, and then at the middle, going down from like the chest area, it's like fitting nicely, and then at the arms and like the sleeves, it poofs out, and it's just like tight there at the bottom, so like it's super duper cute. I really like this, and it's turtlenecks. Most of the tops that I've seen, this would be like off shoulders or something. I just thought that was really unique about it. Yeah, really like that. Thank you, mom. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like to show me that you did enjoy it, and if you want me to do a haul trying on any of these clothes, then comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down your favorite tradition Christmas, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye for now. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling